One tag you may want to include in your pages when considering search engine optimization is the meta keywords tag. And let me give you a good example of the use of such a tag. Now I've gone to Google and I've searched for, well, popular phrase, how to play poker. And if we click on the number one result, we go to a site, soyouwanna.com, and this site teaches you a number of different subjects. So if you go view source, we can see the code of the page here. And what we're interested in is this. Meta tag. Well, actually the meta tag goes between the head tags, so between the opening head tag and closing head tag, so the head section of the HTML document. So as you can see here, meta name equals keywords, so it's the keywords tag, and then the content equals and your keywords. And it's not hugely important, but you may as well include this. So just include your main keywords you want to focus on for this page, and then some related ones. Okay, so I've gone to the demo document, the demo web page, which is called howtoplaypoker.html. And in the head section, just after the title tag, there's the meta keywords tag. You can see meta, M-E-T-A, name equals keywords, content equals, and whatever your keywords are. And this can sometimes be helpful for the search engines, but I don't believe a lot of them pay this tag a huge amount of attention these days, but it doesn't do any harm to include it. So in this example document, we're focusing on the keyword phrase, the search phrase, how to play poker. So obviously your keywords would be how to play poker, and what you can do if you want to enter completely separate phrases, you do comma, space, and then, well, for example, how to play blackjack, or whatever you choose. Or if you don't put a comma there, you can just put a combination of relevant words. For example, how to play poker, blackjack, casino, or tutorial, maybe poker tutorial, and so on. So just, you can put a number of relevant keywords in there. And again, for tips on how to do that, if you just use Google or even use Yahoo for a different set of results. Let's go back to Google, and let's go back to the search results. Just take a look at some of the pages that come up and pay attention to their keywords, just for ideas of how they've chosen keywords. And obviously without outright copying them, that will give you ideas of what keywords you may want to include on your own web page for relevant phrases.